listen up there, YouTube. Chip here with the iconic sports cycle moto vlog. Hey, what's up, YouTube? So guys, this weekend I went to the AIM Motorcycle Expo. I got a couple of video clips put together for you guys, so it's, you guys could check out some of the cool stuff over there. I just kind of wanted to highlight a very specific motorcycle that I thought was pretty cool. You know, I went there, I saw something kind of unusual. If you probably watched some of my videos, you probably know that I kind of like sport bikes, sport nakeds, and cafe racers. Well, I was walking past this booth and I saw this bike and it kind of looked like a blend of all three. So I never saw one before, so I thought I'd check on it. Turns out that it's the only one in existence. However, it's a prototype for a motorcycle that's being built. And you might think, well, geez, you know, there's probably a lot of guys out there building motorcycles. But this particular guy had a little bit of street cred. His name was Mike. And after talking to him, I realized he was one of the members of the Buell team, helped him develop the original Buell motorcycles. So he understands the concept of what it takes to design and build a motorcycle and bring it to fruition. I think that I thought his design was quite stunning. But anyways, Mike's formed a company. The name of the company is called 47 Moto. I will put a link in the description below. Had a really interesting concept on building a bike, and just like Buell did, he took the Harley-Davidson drivetrain and built a custom chassis for it. He's doing something similar where he is using you know, components from a company called Sim. Now, Sim is a Chinese company, but it's a, you know, pretty global company. They make, you know, billions of motorcycles pretty much. They're you know, they have a technology for building very high quality you know, machines. Now, we don't use them over here very much because they're pretty small displacement, although they are available in the States. They're more popular around the world. But he's using some components to build a entry-level cruiser. They're going to come in 250 and 300 cc's, but they were really kind of cool. So I got a good interview with him explaining about his concept. Unfortunately, the audio didn't come out too well, so I'm going to be spending a little time probably closed captioning it so you can get the most out of the conversation. But I hope you'll enjoy it. I think that I hope you check him out. The guy's really smart. He's got a really cool concept. I love to see you know, guys that you know, still believe in the American dream, just going out there and building something and becoming successful on your own right. So yeah, guys, check him out. I think you'll like what he has to offer. So again, this is Chip from the iconic sports cycle motor vlog. Guys, I will talk to you real soon. Bye.
Hi guys, Chip here with the bike. Mike is introducing me to something really new. I've never seen one of these walking by. Got this bright red, sport naked, kind of cafe racing looking bike. I really wasn't sure what it was, so I wanted to get a little more information on it. It's something really new. So Mike, it's your baby. Tell me a little bit about it. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm glad to. We're calling the bike the Cafe Fighter. It's got kind of a Street Fighter face to it. It's got the cafe style tail. Really unique, guys. The neat thing about this bike that's separate to the other bikes in the market is that it's running on the rear wheel. So what's pretty common is that it's got an adjustable brake lever for hand size, but you also get your choice of 3 bar heights. This is a mid-height bar. We've got a bar that's slightly lower, and we've got a bar slightly higher than a comfort bar.
Okay.
But not only get the bars, you get the levers. If you look at the foot peg area, you can see the pegs go down and forward,
Sure.
up and back.
Okay.
And then if you take off this close off here, it's shown in the illustration here, but you'll probably not use the camera, so I'll just explain it. The shock mount is on the clevis with the fitting rod.
Okay.
So you put a jack under the swing arm, release the pressure on the shock bolt, pull it out, adjust the clevis to raise it or lower the bike, put the bolt back in, remove the jack, and you essentially can raise or lower the line at the seat height of the bike, but you don't change the stroke of the shock.
Yep. So basically, this is a fully adjustable rear suspension. So it has the ability to raise not only height, but it's not going to allow changes in the spring tension.
So usually when you lower a bike, you compress the preload on spring, and the springs are progressively wound. So you end up taking all the compliance until the small bumps are no longer a forward, but you're on the hard part of the spring, just protecting it from bottoming out. So instead of hitting a bump and bouncing still riding the same, whether you lowered it or raised it. You're only moving the shock with the chassis. So if you push the shock away, you push the swing arm down towards the ground, you raise the seat height. If you pull the shock up into the bike, you pull the swing arm with it, you lower the seat height. So you still got your same 5 inches of travel, which is most of it in the market too, by the way, for rear travel. So yeah, we're the same as everybody, we're a little bit better in the front, and I think only K2M has the same 5 inches travel. So we're at the top of that, just with all competitors. And the nice thing I was mentioning before is that if you do raise it, okay, you make the front end a little steep. So say a guy goes to a track day, he wants to have a mid angle, he raises the rear of the bike. He's an experienced rider, he's had a track day, he wants a little more responsiveness. He gets that from jacking up back. If it's a person maybe with a shorter inseam or a beginner, they lower the bike, they get a little more trail in front and more stability, which is good for the beginner rider and the bike is more stable. So the adjustment functionality for the seat height also kind of follows that in the rider's scope.
So I noticed it's got a trellis frame, and you mentioned something really unique about it. I guess there's a bolt that runs through here that actually secures the gas tank. You can secure it.
Yeah, the way it works is that there's a lug on each side, and there's a crossbar between them, and that triangulates everything up in front to keep it stiff. But then the fuel cell, there's like a half, a 3/4 loop around, it slips underneath that crossbar, and then it's bolted down like that. So it's like traffic, it can't go anywhere. And then it's also inside this cage. So if you take it to a track day, you bail out in the corner, the thing hits a thing and does a cartwheel and lands on the dirt somewhere, the tank is not going to leave. It's protected by the cage. You have to go faster with this bike, it's capable to destroy the frame, right? Sure. And then at the same time, thinking about our rider safety, we made the slope in the back of this tank. A lot of bikes, you'll see they want more fuel volume, so they'll square off, and that is good for fuel volume, not good for rider, leaving the bike. Because that is sitting there right in front of you, and it's like a wall. Yeah, so this is more or less friendly to ride what they call get off. So we put that in.
This is a water-cooled 250.
Yeah, and 300 is also will come available with ABS launch system. It's 4 valves, right? Water-cooled. It has ceramic cylinder, which keeps it cool and nice and longer. It's a harder material to move. Put the ceramic in there, so it wears well. It's a 6-speed transmission.
That's a plus.
It's like
a lot of the competition is a 5-speed.
Yep. So 6-speed with a 2-year warranty.
Okay.
Powertrain, backed by SIM, which is of course the company that makes that.
Okay.
SIM is a 58-year-old company. Started in 1958. Million electric vehicles for Honda. When Honda exploded in the 60s and was you meet the nicest people and everybody had Honda. We all had.
I have.
Yep. They started building for Honda because they needed more volume. So they built for Hondas for decades, and then they decided to do their own thing. So they split from Honda, and they made their own bikes. They build SUVs for Hyundai, the Tucson, the Santa Fe. They make about 400,000 in their own line of bikes every year. They also are global. Yeah, they make them all over the world. They're on every continent. They just came to North America in March 2015. So that I started buying their components and creating this bike on our chassis, our frame, our body. We sim the engine, forks, the engine.
Which is on you, like mule, use the Harley engine. So that's fairly common.
As a self-funded motorcycle manufacturer who, just kind of blew his retirement, but I didn't have the money to say, let's build a new motor. So, you had to take that route, and I'm happy, because the company is a great company, been around a long time, solid, stable. It's not like I'm, trying to find a company that is new like me and saying they're going to back my product. I think that having, a well-established 58-year-old company that is supplying parts all over the world with a 2-year warranty. My customers look at my new bike and go, is that thing going to, hold together well? I'm backed by a multi-billion-dollar company that's doing my warranties.
Yeah, that's good. So the bike, you mentioned the price point is going to be approximately.
Yeah, our target right now is $54.95.
Okay.
And that's
that's a domestically produced motorcycle.
Yeah, built in Hibbing, Minnesota. I don't know if you can see that sign on there.
Okay,
it might be in there or not.
The name of your company is 47 Moto.
47 Moto. That's the brand.
What's the brand?
The company is called Mike Bike, which is It's MYKPYK.
Okay.
They had a big list of names, and you end up thinking of these under the line, right? And then you find out in the morning that somebody has that. Sure. Well, I have my mom's maiden name, an Italian name. I thought, well, that'll work good for me. I got kind of an Italian flair to my bike, and I thought I'll use that name. So I Googled it. There's a guy with the same last name, Carducci, who makes motorcycles on the left coast. He takes a Sportster and he makes them. So that's how hard it is to get made. So the number 47 has been following me my whole life. Okay. So I said, why fight it? I give up. You know, 47 Moto is my company name. Yep. But when I got my EIN number from my company, it started with 47. When I got my credit card, it started with 47. Gotcha. Everything it just keeps following you. So I'm like, okay, welcome aboard.
Yeah. So this is the Mosquito, guys. Florida big mosquitoes, right? So
We got bigger mosquitoes.
Okay. So no Zika virus here.
It's not going north.
So and then your other line is going to be the Dragonfly,
Firefly.
So those are a couple of different brands, different models that will be available. And basically they're built in the same frame, is that correct?
Yeah, the bike is modular. So if you look right here, you'll see that the tail section is broken on. And the images of the bike aren't on your camera right now, but there's the Firefly, which you can take off the back, and it's what's called like a city cross or a city adventure bike. It's got a soft toe tire in case you want to do a fire lane or something. It's not a dirt bike, but it's that bike. And if you want to also say, I want to start thinking people want to take it off. When you take it off the bottom, you can put the Dragonfly tail on there, you have two up front. So same way you can go backwards. So say you bought the Dragonfly, really you want to buy a solo bike, you can get a Mosquito. Sure. But it's nice because if you buy this bike, putting about 66% down on a Dragonfly or a Firefly, because you only need to buy the tail section, plastic for the tail. If you buy the Firefly, you're buying the grab rails, the foot pegs for the passenger. So you got most of the bike there. You don't have to trade a bike, buy a new bike, lose money. They not have the old bike. You can go back and forth. Sure.
Well, there's not too well in countries that have burner restrictions.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a 250 to start or 300, so graduated licensing, you buy it.
Exactly.
There might be the really youngest might be 125s, but it's still good for young riders.
Yeah, absolutely. So interestingly, you have some cool stuff under the seat.
Yeah, I'll show you.
So cool stuff under the seat. So it gives you the opportunity to.
Under the seat, it's all about serviceability.
Yeah.
So your relays are right here.
Okay.
Your fuses are right here.
Okay.
Your air cleaner is right here. That's four screws. Just pull it out, drop it in, cartridge in. Under here is something unique to our market. Also, there's a 1.5 charge port. Okay. So while you're riding, maybe you're using this. It gets 90 miles.
Yeah, that's important. 90 miles per gallon.
Yeah,
90 miles an hour, 90 miles per gallon.
So if you put your iPad mini in, that fits there, or your phone is charging where you're doing something. And if you decide you want Bluetooth, you got your set in. Yep. You set your phone up for Bluetooth and rock rings. You can take a call while you're live, or play music again.
So you're thinking down the road.
Yeah. Well,
Tech savvy guys.
Charging. Say if you got a 2-hour commute or something. Yeah. Your phone when you get back to the office or when you get home, it's charged. It's ready. You know, why waste 2 hours of your day when you can have the phone?
Sure. That makes perfect sense.
So mine is always going dead, so that'd be good for me.
So fuel injector. So fuel injection, you don't worry about special gas, cleaning carburetors. That's kind of nice.
87 octane.
87 octane is another plus.
It's a 4-valve, overhead cam, water cooler, as I mentioned.
And it's balanced.
It's balanced and it's very smooth. I worked 17 years as a designer.
Oh, he's gone. No, you can't
Every
ask him.
brand and rolled them and evaluated.
No, he always
I've ridden all the bikes, and this is one of the smoothest bikes I've ridden. It's really simple.
Sim actually does very well in that.
Oh, yeah.
They have a good reputation in that end of the market.
They learned over the years working on a lot of stuff that they applied it. And now they've even gone beyond their proprietary. They developed that ceramic front cylinder and ceramic. They sell that technology to other motorcycles. Okay. So they're a very advanced company, very aggressive as far as we're going to do in the future in the market. Like I said, they have plus they're very knowledgeable. They're having their fingers in these other industries. They can bring that technology back to their motorcycles. So it makes them more 7motor.com. It's changing all the time. We got a new company. We show up there, we post things after the show. We make it development and like updated posting in there. I think right now, even some of the pictures are just concept sketches.
Okay, well, this is a concept.
Yeah, this is a prototype.
Prototype, sure.
This is the only one.
Only one in existence, guys.
This is all
Put in your bid now.
3D printed.
3D printed.
Yeah, it's all CAD model now, and it's all going to tooling right after the show. So it'll look like this.
Yeah,
but
awesome. It's a great look.
Yeah, this is the only one we have right now. So.
Awesome. So, you got a Facebook page? Would they be able to find your Facebook?
I have a Facebook page, but I put very little on there. And Peter, who's with me here today, is our social media guy.
Gotcha. Okay.
After the show, they'll be updating everything. I'll check back briefly because it's almost weekly updating or adding new information.
Awesome. I'll do that.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure, man. I really look forward to seeing these things on the road. And if you got a local dealer, I'll follow up. You got to do a test drive, vlog, and do a test review. Great. All right, man. It's been a pleasure, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Really appreciate it. We'll look forward to seeing these on the road.
All right.
Really something cool and different.